Dear students, welcome to this video. Hope you all are doing well and are safe at your homes. In the age of technology, digital job fairs are gaining in popularity. We want you students to prepare for upcoming job interviews. For the same, there are few recommended courses on IBM's online learning platform, which is SkillsBuild. These are free of cost, short duration courses specially curated for digital job fairs. This video is just to make you familiar with the SkillsBuild portal. We will provide you with a self-registration link. You have to simply use the link to register yourself on SkillsBuild portal. When you click on the link, you will be redirected to the registration page of SkillsBuild. Here you have to register yourself. You have to click on register. Portal will ask you how you want to register yourself, like using your LinkedIn ID, Google ID or your IBM ID. You can use your Gmail ID, which is your Google account. Click on register using Google. Here you have to provide your basic information to create your profile, like your first name, your last name, email ID. You have to carefully provide this information. You have to again confirm your email ID. Then you have to select your country, then the preferred language. After filling this information, you have to click on these two check boxes, like you agree to the terms of use and you agree to the data privacy policy. When you will click on register, you will be redirected to the last page of registration, which is yes, you are ready to use SkillsBuild and you are successfully registered to the SkillsBuild portal. So now you have to log in the SkillsBuild portal. You can simply click on sign in here. You have to use your same registered email ID and you have to log in SkillsBuild. When you will log in SkillsBuild, you will be redirected to the home page of SkillsBuild, which will look like this. At the top right corner, you can view your profile, like your name and your email ID. So we, the EduNet team, we will provide you some recommended courses. So you can use their links to search them on portal. Like I am using the first link, which is what does a good resume look like. So you will simply use the link to search the course on portal. So here you are redirected to the course. So this is the course name, what does a good resume look like. Here we have the description of the course. To start taking this course, you have to click on go to this activity and you will be redirected to detailed information of the course. So this is all information about the course. At the top right corner, there are quick navigations. So when you are done with the course, when you have completed the course, you have to go back to the home to the page, course page. Here you have to mark this course as completed. Like I have already completed this course, so I'll just remove it from completions to tell you how you can mark this in completions. So you will get this option, mark complete. You have to click on mark complete to add this course to your completions. This will add these 10 minutes to your completions report. You have to click on submit. You will get a pop-up message, a success message, like this course is marked as completed. After this, you can download your certificate for this course. In actions, you will get an option like print completion certificate. When you will click on this, it will show you the preview of the certificate. Here you will get your name and the name of the course, the date on which you have completed the course and the learning hours. So from print option, you can simply download your certificate. We can take another example of a course, like we have interview questions. I will use this link to search the course on portal. The another course is interview questions, tell me about yourself. So like same here, this is the description of the course. To start this course, I have to click on go to this activity. This is the detailed information of the course. Quick navigations are there. To mark this course as complete, I'll click on mark complete. I'll submit the time duration. The success pop-up message, and to download the certificate I have to go to actions and click on print completion certificate. This is the preview for the another certificate. My name and the name of the course, date on which I have completed the course, and the learning hours. So this was all about the portal. If you still face any issue, you can write back to us on our official email ID, which is eufstudents@gmail.com. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.